Today's first look, something a little different, a 1966 Mercury convertible S55. Something you don't see every day, actually a pretty rare car. Comes with a 428, yes, 428 back in 1966, along with a 3-speed automatic, Craig. This is the type of car you come to Barrett-Jackson to buy to have fun. We have the best of the best on Saturday. We have prime time every day, but if you're looking to get into the hobby, have something fun to drive, Craig, throw the family in, go to the drive-in, have a big time, take it to the car show on Saturday. You got 428 cubic inches under the hood, you've got a 3-speed automatic transmission, you've got an 8-track the size of a suitcase in there. Back in the day, that was state of the art. But what a great car, and this is the kind of car, Craig, again, you can drive it, have fun, park it in the parking lot and not worry about it, but it's nothing but a big land yacht. Put your family in it, have a big time.
And you just took words out of my mouth. Land yacht, look at how this thing fills up the studio. And it's a well-optioned car. As you said, Steve, it's got the monstrous 8-track in it. It's got tilt. It has power seats, power bucket seats.
Absolutely.
You know, you look in this very nicely optioned car, power disc brakes, electric windows, power steering. You know, this is a top-of-the-line car with that big 428 in it. It is something you can take out, have fun. It's got a couple of chips in the front. It has been driven, but it's a car you can really just take out and enjoy, and it's very unique. It is one of 669 cars built, so you're buying a rare car, nicely optioned.
And it illustrates too, Craig, again, to reinforce the point. You can come to Barrett-Jackson, have a great time, look at the best of the best, but also buy something you can afford, enjoy, have a great time, and really appreciate. This is really the spirit of the hobby. 428 cubic inch, automatic, power bucket seats, convertible, top goes up and down, selling at no reserve in Scottsdale. Something for everybody. We'll see you there.